Good afternoon, my friends. Let's play Ching Chong Cha. What is that in English? Rock, paper, and scissors with this item that I bought. It is a auto tester, and the reason why I bought it, I will show you now. And it's the same shop where I bought this set. You remember last? So I bought this morning there. But the reason is because I've got one, a very, very old one. And this is for 12 volt, as you can see, or 6 volt. So I've got one, a very, very, very old one. And it got the old style LEDs in that you hardly can see. I'll show you now. I've got a battery here. I'll connect it to a battery and you will see what I mean. I put it there on the negative, and then let's see if we can get this in the picture. You can see there at my thumb, it light up, but it's the old types, guys. If I, for instance, want to use this at the farm, I can't see in the sunlight. Let's try it from that side. Just a moment. Okay, let's look again. Look at you can see there, it is really not sharp, so you can't see it. Even in the room, you can't really see if that is very light. It's heavy overcast at the moment. So I bought this one, which is now, I believe, a later type that will light up very nice. So let's open it and test it. It comes with a few very handy fuses. So this is the main reason, and it cost 45 Rand. So it's really cheap. Let's get it out here. Okay, and there is the wire that needs to, for the ground. Let me just get it quickly untangle here. Okay, so this, where's my, so this go inside there, I guess. Okay, and let's see how this one shine up for us. I'll bring you now in picture. Okay, let's see. Now that is much better. I like this. Let me just secure it there permanently on the negative so that we can have a nice look here. Much better. So I guess at least this one work. For the price, I guess it's worthwhile, and a few extra fuses. Okay guys, just a short Sunday afternoon one. to show you my new tester, and I'm very happy. It works at least first time. Now I can check all the farm wall connections, and there's a couple I would like to check on the car as well. Okay, my friends, I hope you liked the video, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.